What's up guys, it's me Harsh32B. Sorry for posting so late in a while because it's been hard. I don't have a phone or a camera anymore because I broke mine accidentally. And yeah, so today we're gonna be doing something different instead of like hunting down fairies and Therians and stuff. So today we're gonna be solving a Rubik's Cube. And so the first thing you should probably already know, if you don't, it's okay, it's easy. You're just gonna match this, like, white, right? And then you're gonna do green and green, like green, green, white, white. And you're gonna do that for all of the others, which I'm just gonna do really quick. You can pause if it's too fast. You can pause the video. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys one more time. If you want this red to get here, you're gonna want to do that, this, and then bring this back down and then turn it. And then you should have this. And if you have this corner piece, it's okay. We're gonna be changing it anyways. So now with this corner piece, you can see there are 3 colors: orange, blue, and what's it called, white. You're gonna put that where the colors are sorted into, like this: orange, orange, blue, blue, white, white. You're gonna do that for all of them, even for red, green, and blue. And then you're gonna do the exact same thing like that. And so for the last one, whichever is yours, you're gonna be matching up the colors. So yeah. And now for the centerpieces. So you're gonna so for example of this one, it's orange, blue, orange and green. I don't know why I said blue, but orange and green. And this is what's it called, green and orange. You're just gonna do this, twist, not twist. You're gonna do that, and then you're gonna put it back as that, and that should be in. You're gonna do the exact same thing. You're gonna do that one more time to pop that back in place. It should be like that. You're gonna do that for all of the other ones. The most important step for this section is this one. Wait, let me show. It is this. That down, that up, and then turn it, and then that's the most important step in this this section. So for the second layer, so that's the important one. If you mess that up, I don't know. Probably, I don't know, but yeah, you're just gonna keep doing that until you get to here. Should get to here. Now for the top. So if you should have a line or something here that's like here, here or somewhere on the white side, all right? And you can see it's T, right? You want to make this into a cross like that. So we are first going to do the exact, so we're gonna be doing this, that, spin up, spin, spin, down. We're gonna keep doing that until we get to a cross. Or if that doesn't work, you can do this move. I don't know how to show it like that. Like that. And it should just come back together, but if that doesn't work, then you can just do which actually does help, but mostly this one will help. Actually, wait, no. So you are actually gonna do this, that. You're just gonna do that until you get this. And then after you get this, you're gonna try to match the corners. Mine already matched, I don't know why, but like my corners already flipped. I don't know how, but like look, red, green, yellow, red, green, and yellow. Red, blue, yellow, blue, orange, yellow, green, orange, yellow, green, orange, yellow, red, green, yellow. I'm just gonna do it again because y'all didn't see, but yeah, blue, red, yellow, orange, blue, yellow. So like that, and then if you want to flip it like that, you're just gonna have to wait. I'm gonna flip mine, so it's probably like this, right? So now you're gonna look for a single piece like this one. You're gonna do that, the same exact thing that I explained in the last, like for this one. And then you're gonna do the exact same thing to get these things to complete this. You're just gonna put it wherever, like, and then blue's already up, but if it isn't, it's fine. So you guys, you can choose between two colors, but it has to be like face to face. Like it can be blue and green only, because they're the only ones that are in front of each other. And or you can do orange and red because they're like face to face. And so I'm gonna do, personally, I like to do red and green, green and blue, but this time I'm gonna do red and orange because I don't really do that often. So like if you see that your orange is here and you want it to get here, but there's a blue here. And if you do the this move here, that, it's gonna complete this, right? But it's not gonna complete this because the orange just went over there. This stays. So whatever other side it is, it's gonna stay there. So now you can do, you're gonna bring the white piece from here to here, and then you're gonna do that, down, down, face, up, turn, and then back down. And then that should have gotten the orange part next to the orange, green here, and then blue is gonna go there by itself. So you're just gonna do that one more time, and then there we go. You solved the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Make sure you like and subscribe, and get me to 1,000 likes.